Introducing the 2023 Vauxhall Mokka, where style meets innovation on the road. With LED tail lights for enhanced visibility and adaptive brake lights that respond to your driving, you're equipped for any journey. Experience the blend of technology and design that makes the Mokka stand out. Step inside to find a front center armrest with storage for added convenience and electronically protected audio equipment for secure listening pleasure. Call or visit Hendy Vauxhall Poole today to schedule your test drive of the 2023 Vauxhall Mokka. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.